Take a ride in the 2018 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, power steering, one owner, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.